Today we'll talk about how can you enable stranger number on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, come here to stranger number here, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here strange number, it's enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.